Join me as I take on the challenge of packing for a week-long trip using only these simple hacks. Let's see if I can make it all fit. When it comes to travel, being organized can make all the difference in the world. Think about it. The less time you spend packing and unpacking, the more time you have to enjoy your trip, experience new cultures, and make unforgettable memories. And that's exactly what these packing hacks are all about, taking the stress out of packing and making travel a whole lot easier. We've all been there, at the airport, struggling to cram our luggage shut, praying that it won't burst open on the conveyor belt. Or worse, getting to our destination only to realize we've left behind an essential item. Limited luggage space, overpacking, and forgetting those must-haves can be a real nightmare. And if you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours agonizing over what to pack and what to leave behind. Am I right? But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to pack smarter, not harder? One of the biggest packing challenges is deciding what to bring and what to leave behind. We've all been guilty of overpacking at some point or another, only to find ourselves lugging around a heavy suitcase filled with clothes we never ended up wearing. And then there's the opposite problem, the dreaded "I've forgotten something crucial" feeling. So how do we strike the perfect balance? For starters, it's essential to have a clear idea of what you'll be doing on your trip and what you'll need accordingly. Will you be hiking, swimming, or attending formal events? Knowing this will help you pack only what's necessary. And let's not forget about the physical limitations of our luggage. We've all stuffed our suitcases to the brim only to find that we can't zip them up. It's frustrating, to say the least. But what if you could fit everything you need into a single carry-on? Sounds like a dream, right? It's all about packing strategically, people. So, are you ready to learn some practical packing hacks that'll change the way you travel forever? From rolling your clothes to using packing cubes, I'm about to share my top tips for streamlining your packing process. Get ready to take your travel game to the next level. First up, let's talk about rolling your clothes. This simple trick can save you a ton of space in your luggage. Instead of folding your clothes, which can lead to wrinkles and creases, try rolling them up tightly. This will help reduce wrinkles and allow you to pack more items in a smaller space. Packing cubes are another game changer. These genius little bags allow you to organize your clothes and other items into separate compartments, making it easy to find what you need in a flash. They're also great for compressing your clothing, freeing up even more space in your luggage. And the best part? They come in all shapes and sizes, so you can customize your packing experience to fit your needs. Next up, let's talk about creating a travel checklist. This is a total lifesaver, especially if you're someone who tends to forget essential items. Write down everything you need to pack, from your passport to your toothbrush, and check them off as you go. This will ensure that you don't leave anything behind and can focus on more important things, like what souvenirs to buy. But here's the thing, even with all these packing hacks, there's still one major challenge to overcome: the dreaded "I've forgotten something crucial" feeling. That's why I've got one ultimate packing tip that's going to change the way you travel forever. Are you ready for it? Here it is. Pack a portable essentials kit. This tiny bag should contain all the essentials you might need in a pinch, from pain relievers to snacks. That way, no matter where you are in the world, you'll be prepared for anything that comes your way. And there you have it, guys. The ultimate packing hack that'll save you time and space. By using these simple tips, you can make travel a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. So go ahead and give them a try on your next adventure. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment below with your own packing tips and subscribe for more travel-related content. Happy travels, everyone!